Nepal is a city of lakes. There are so many of the lakes here. Dharabi Lake, first of all, so beautiful in Dharabi Lake, first of all. Then it is the Dogtalian Lake. This lake is called Kokarze Dam. This lake is called Dhok Kutabdeen Dam. Dhok Kutabdeen Dam Lake. Color Kahar Lake. Ban Amir Khatun Dam Lake. یہ دیکھیے گا کہ کس قدر خوبصورت. How beautiful is it? It is beautiful indeed. Look at this is a Balkasar interchange. Obviously there are two interchanges. This is the one which is coming from Lahore, leading toward Islamabad or leading toward Chakwal. The other is going toward Lahore. It is beautiful indeed. Look at this traffic and beautiful. Look at those hotel and restaurant. So good indeed. These are bulls. Behind it there is a horse. In the other, the horse is somebody is riding a horse. It is beautiful indeed. It looks very clear during the daytime, but at this moment during the night it is not very clear. Look at how beautiful is it. Really beautiful indeed. Look at this beautiful. The traffic, it remains alive throughout the night. When everybody sleeps, this place stays awake, does not sleep.